Subaru just took the Crosstrek and turned it into something that looks way more aggressive, premium, and futuristic than anyone expected. This is the imagined 2027 Subaru Crosstrek. And honestly, it looks like Subaru finally decided to give its compact SUV the attitude of a full-on performance crossover. From the glowing illuminated Subaru badge, to the stealth black bodywork, to the rugged mountain road presence, this thing looks ready for both downtown luxury life and an off-grid weekend escape. So today, we're going to break down everything about this stunning 2027 Crosstrek concept. The exterior design, the futuristic interior, expected engine options, pricing, release date, and why this might become Subaru's coolest SUV yet. Let's get into it. Starting at the front. This is where the biggest transformation happens. The traditional Subaru grille is gone, replaced by this massive hexagonal blacked-out grille design that gives the Crosstrek a much more upscale and muscular appearance. And right above it, look at that illuminated Subaru lettering stretching across the nose. That single detail completely changes the personality of the vehicle. It feels modern, premium, and almost electric-inspired. The LED headlights are razor-thin now, with a sharp angular signature that makes the SUV look wider and lower than the current Crosstrek. Then, lower down, you get these vertical LED daytime running lights integrated into the bumper. They add a futuristic vibe while also making the front end look more aggressive and technical. From the side, this Crosstrek still keeps its rugged Subaru DNA, but everything looks cleaner and more athletic. The body lines are sharper. The wheel arches are more sculpted, and the matte, stealth black finish gives the SUV a premium tactical look. One thing I really like is how planted the vehicle feels visually. The lower side skirts, black wheels, and wide stance make it look almost like a performance crossover rather than a traditional compact SUV. The roof rails are still there too, which means Subaru hasn't forgotten the adventure lifestyle buyers love. And parked in front of this minimalist mountain home? Honestly, this thing looks more expensive than you'd expect from a Crosstrek. The rear design might actually be the best angle of the entire SUV. The taillights are now much slimmer and more modern, with a clean LED light signature that stretches horizontally across the back. And once again, Subaru uses illuminated Subaru lettering in the center, creating a very upscale, nighttime look. The rear bumper is heavily sculpted with vertical reflector elements that match the front DRLs, giving the whole design consistency from front to back. There's also a subtle roof spoiler and a more aggressive diffuser-style lower bumper that makes the Crosstrek feel sportier than ever before. Overall, this rear end feels bold, futuristic, and surprisingly premium. Out on the road, this thing looks absolutely at home in the mountains. The dark matte paint, paired with the misty mountain environment, gives the Crosstrek a rugged luxury vibe, almost like a smaller, more urban-friendly off-road SUV. The proportions work really well in motion, too. It doesn't feel oversized. It feels agile, athletic, and confident. And because it still has that classic Subaru crossover shape, it looks practical without losing the aggressive styling. Inside, the Demon 2027 Crosstrek takes a major leap forward in technology and design. The dashboard is now much cleaner and more horizontal, giving the cabin a wider and more modern appearance. At the center sits this large vertically oriented infotainment display, clearly inspired by newer Subaru interiors, but refined with a more premium interface and sharper graphics. The cabin itself looks minimalist but functional. Soft touch materials, Subtle ambient lighting and layered dashboard textures help the interior feel far more upscale than current Subaru models. From the driver's seat, visibility still looks excellent, which is classic Subaru. You've got a clean digital gauge cluster, a head-up display projected onto the windshield, and a thick steering wheel that gives the cockpit a sporty feel. What's interesting is how the interior balances ruggedness and comfort. It still feels durable enough for outdoor adventures, but refined enough for everyday commuting and long highway drives. And based on these images, Subaru may finally be improving cabin quietness and overall luxury feel, two things buyers have been asking for. Now, Subaru hasn't officially revealed powertrain details yet, but here's what we realistically expect for the 2027 Crosstrek. The base model will likely continue using an updated 2.5-liter boxer engine paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system and CVT transmission. Power could land somewhere around 190 horsepower, with improved torque delivery and better fuel economy. But honestly, the more exciting possibility is a hybrid version. Considering where the market is heading, Subaru will almost certainly introduce either a hybrid or plug-in hybrid Crosstrek with better efficiency and stronger low-end torque. And if Subaru really wants to surprise people, a turbocharged wilderness-inspired trim could completely change the game. As for pricing, the 2027 Subaru Crosstrek will probably start somewhere around $32,000 to $35,000 for base trims. Higher-end trims with premium interior materials, larger wheels, advanced tech, and hybrid options could easily push into the low $40,000 range. And honestly, based on this design alone, people might actually be willing to pay it. So when could we actually see something like this arrive? If Subaru follows its normal schedule, we could see an official reveal sometime in late 2026, with production models arriving as 2027 vehicles shortly after. And judging from current automotive trends, don't be surprised if Subaru moves the Crosstrek further upscale to compete with more premium compact crossovers. So, what do you think about this futuristic 2027 Subaru Crosstrek? Did Subaru finally create a compact SUV that looks both rugged and premium? Or do you think this design is a little too aggressive for a Crosstrek? Personally, I think this might be one of the best-looking Subaru concepts we've seen in years. The illuminated branding, the stealth black styling, the mountain road presence. It all works incredibly well together. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive reveals and concept reviews. And drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy this 2027 Subaru Crosstrek? Thanks for watching.